Take command of the road in the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. This four-door, five-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, fully automatic headlights, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop in and take a test drive.